All right, this is our Michael's grab bag haul. It is Saturday, what is it, February 2nd? Or
Yes.
3rd? Second. So we're a little late to the party. So the grab bag started this week on Monday, and the grab boxes. Some places had boxes, some places had bags. So yesterday we went to Michael's and ended up with like 6 bags, and they were $4 a bag.
Yeah.
And then today we went to a separate Michael's. This is all they had left. They had 2 boxes, and then a whole bunch of Christmas floral. These are the normal floral pieces that were like, what's this one? $40. And then
Some were more.
Some were $60. So we got a whole bunch of Christmas floral, and then these 2 boxes. So basically, after you break down the receipt, we paid 55 cents for this box, 55 cents for this box, 55 cents for this floral, and then we have a whole bunch of other floral that I've already like put in the basement because it's just Christmas stuff. So we know this is gonna be Christmas stuff. We don't know if it's gonna be good or not, but who cares? It was 55 cents. So
We
all
can
right,
donate it if we don't want.
donate it. Let's see what it is. So the lady we talked to was super nice. She said that they had dozens and dozens and dozens of boxes, and they had been selling them like crazy, and they just wanted. And I didn't understand why she said today they were 55 cents, but whatever, 55 cents. All the other days it was $4 a box. So they just wanted to get rid of them, and then I guess they do this. She said the next after Valentine's Day they'll do it for Valentine's Day. So see what it is, because I thought they only did it 4 times a year, and she says nope, they do it after each holiday. Ooh.
Oh,
like lights.
OMG.
Okay, this is good.
That is very good.
These are. Look at these. Your mom's like, I want those.
Yeah.
Little Christmas. These are the little Christmas lights. Oh my goodness, this was a really good box.
Yeah.
Yesterday when we went to Michael's, it was all like just garland. And now this is you had no idea what was in this box. Heavy duty clear. Ooh, burlap ribbon. Oh my god,
Yeah.
that's gonna be good for junk journals. That is really good. Burlap ribbon. So yeah, 55 cents for all this stuff. That is ridiculous.
A red one.
A red one. And then, ooh, a snowflake one.
Another.
More of these lights. These are like $6 a pack. Oh my god. Oh, I even.
garland.
This is like
That's-
cute
I-
holly.
yeah, that's
This
good.
is holly berry garland. That is really nice.
Another
And
one.
oh my god, I actually have this little Christmas tree. You can have this one. I got this one. That is so funny.
All
So,
of that for 55
so
cents.
if you watch, I'm gonna link Nurse's channel down below. She will have a video of what she opened yesterday. So when we went to that first Michael's yesterday, they had boxes like this, and you could see in, and you could tell they were all garland. So that's why we didn't buy any boxes yesterday. But this box, you had no idea what was in it, and this was a good surprise. This was an excellent surprise. So, gotta glue your tree back. So we'll see what this one is. I just feel like I was a little too $12.99, a little late to the party. I should have went to Michael's. Oh my god! I should have went to Michael's as soon as they had these. Oh my god! That is so good. Tons of little, what do they call them?
Like picks.
Picks. That's floral picks.
Picks.
These are like little elf shoes
Oh
stick
my
out of them.
goodness.
That's hilarious. Let me move your tree out of the way before we destroy it even more.
6, 7,
Oh,
8,
and those are adorable.
9. These are all floral picks.
I
love floral
This is
picks.
good.
Oops.
Look at that.
That one's
Look at that
nothing.
one. $3.99. Woohoo! That's a good one. This is like, is this a sparkler? Should I? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, let's light
It
it.
looks like a sparkler.
That's cute.
Oh, cotton. That one is adorable.
Succulent.
That is amazing. That one looks really good. This one is like all year round. You don't need that just for Christmas. That's a good one. Poinsettias, which we have to have fake poinsettias because we all have cats. So you don't want real poinsettias around cats, right, honey? Aren't they? Robert is ignoring us. He's too busy trading.
I love the cotton.
Narissa, aren't poinsettias bad for cats?
You know, I feel like I have heard that before.
I feel like they're poisonous.
Pick. Another pick.
These are cute gold poinsettias. So
Wow.
Not for sure what fell off of this one, but that's okay.
It might be one of that.
Is one of those missing? So
No.
this was much better than I was just expecting it to be all junk, and it's not. Not junk at all. I really enjoy this one. So, well worth it. Yep. 55 cents, 55 cents, 55 cents. We kept asking the lady, what is it again? So, I wish they had more than 2 boxes, but that's what we get for going to Michael's Saturday night at 8:30. And you know when you walk into a store right when it closes and they're all looking at you like, hello, we're getting ready to close. Why are you here? But no, they were super nice. And she's like, oh yeah, these are our last 2. I even asked, I said, do you have any more? Nope, this is it. We sold them like crazy this week. So yes, after Valentine's Day, I'll pay a little more attention and maybe we can get some good Valentine's stuff. So this is amazing. All right. Me and Nurse are going to divvy up the spoils. But seriously, 55 cents.
Yeah,
I
if
still
you were to
can't believe it.
divide each piece, I don't even know, it'd end
It's
up
just
like 3
ridiculous.
cents a piece or
And
something.
I was, but the point is, we were worried it was gonna be junk, and it's not.
Yeah.
It is not junk at all. Every single item. Well, I'm not for sure what you do with Elf's boots, but still, every single item is
Stick 'em in your
cute
tree.
and
That's
adorable.
what I do with the Pyxes.
And I think, you know what? I should have
Yeah.
left the florals up here because you have to understand. We also got like some graveyard florals, and they were $60. And I got 2, and Jan got 3. Did you get any? But they were normally $60, and we're saving them for next year. So that was just amazing. Because I actually almost bought one before Christmas to put on Mom's grave, and so wow. So anyway,
Yeah.
amazing. So
Very good.
that's it. So anyway, next time we're not going to be late to the party, and we're going to go early. So thanks for watching.